This project in Rough and Ready, California, started as a relatively straightforward door replacement. The original scope was to remove 4 damaged French doors and install 4 new sliding glass doors. Once we opened the walls, however, we discovered extensive hidden damage, including water intrusion, termite damage, and deteriorated structural framing. Based on those findings, the project expanded from a simple door replacement into a major exterior restoration. We removed the damaged siding and sheathing along the entire south side of the home and portions of the east and west sides. With the structure exposed, we inspected all framing and completed the necessary repairs and replacements to restore the home's structural integrity. After the framing repairs were completed, we installed new plywood sheathing, a Tyvek weather barrier, and new Hardie lap siding, carefully tying the new work into the unaffected portions of the house. Additional improvements included replacing 2 windows and removing a non-code compliant second-story deck. That opening was then reframed and converted into a new bedroom window. To finish the project, we completed a full exterior paint of the home, pool shed, and garden shed, and installed a brand new gutter system on the existing metal roof. The result is a structurally sound, weather-tight home with a completely renewed exterior built to serve the property for many years to come.